has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Iowa County and south central Wisconsin, northwestern Lafayette County and south central Wisconsin, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Belmont and moving north at 75 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail wind, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles and crops is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. The severe thunderstorm will be near Black Hawk Lake Recreation Area around 3:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Linden, London, Cobb, Edmond, Black Hawk Lake Rec Area, Highland, and Avoca. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.